Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Yeah, recently we have started new batch which is DevOps plus AWS plus Linux. Yeah, so four sessions completed which are demo sessions. Yeah, first session is DevOps introduction. Second session is question and answers, and the third session is cloud introduction. Fourth one is SDLC, software development lifecycle. So these sessions are very very important. So those who are not attended, you will get the recording session. You can go through the recording sessions and you can ask me if you have any questions like basic questions, advanced questions, general questions also you can ask me. And Monday onwards we are going to start regular sessions, right? So Monday onwards you can join the sessions. Yeah, if you have any questions you can ask me. And Monday onwards, yeah, we are going to work on cloud platform. Yeah, so if you are not added into WhatsApp group, you can add into WhatsApp group today or tomorrow, and you can continue from Monday. Fine. Yeah, thank you all.